Welcome to the enchanting world of coding. It's like stepping into a realm of digital magic where you can create amazing things with the power of your imagination. In this world, we have wizards known as programmers, and their spells are lines of code. These spells command computers to do incredible things, from launching rockets into space to recommending your next favorite song. One of the most fundamental spells in a programmer's arsenal is the if-else statement. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's simpler than it sounds. Think of if-else statements as the decision makers of the coding world. They give your programs the ability to think logically and respond differently based on various conditions, just like we do in our daily lives. Imagine you're baking cookies, because who doesn't love cookies? You set a timer for 10 minutes. Now here's where the if-else magic comes in. If the timer goes off, meaning 10 minutes have passed, then you take the cookies out of the oven. Else, meaning the timer hasn't gone off yet, you let them bake for a little longer. In Python, we write this logic using code like this. If timer equals sign 10, else. See how closely it mirrors our cookie baking logic? That's the beauty of if-else statements. They translate our everyday decision-making into instructions a computer can understand. Think about it, you're constantly making if-else decisions without even realizing it. If it's raining outside, you take an umbrella, else you leave it at home. If you're hungry, you eat, else you continue with your day. These simple choices are the very essence of if-else logic. In programming, we use if-else statements to bring this same level of intelligent decision-making to our programs. Let's say you're building a game. You could use an if-else statement to check if the player has enough points to level up. If they do, they level up, else they need to keep earning more points. As you delve deeper into the world of coding, you'll discover that if-else statements are like keys that unlock countless possibilities. They give your programs a remarkable ability to adapt and respond intelligently to different situations. Imagine building a weather app. You could use if-else statements to display different icons and messages based on the weather conditions. If it's sunny, show a sun icon and a message like, enjoy the beautiful weather. Else, if it's raining, show a cloud with rain and a message like, don't forget your umbrella. Mastering if-else statements is like adding a powerful spell to your coding repertoire. It allows you to create programs that are not only functional but also intelligent and responsive. Remember, even the most experienced programmers started with the basics, just like you. The key is to practice and experiment. Try incorporating if-else statements into your coding projects, no matter how small. Each successful implementation will boost your confidence and bring you one step closer to becoming a true coding wizard. So there you have it, the magic of if-else statements revealed. They're not as intimidating as they might seem at first glance, are they? In fact, they're pretty darn cool. By understanding and utilizing this fundamental concept, you're well on your way to creating amazing and interactive programs. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun on your coding journey.